Hey guys, Shane from Jags Journeys. I'm back today at SeaWorld in the Gold Coast. I'm here today specifically to have a look at the progress of two of their newest attractions, which are soon to open here at SeaWorld. Also guys, just want to say thank you to all our newest subscribers. We really appreciate you supporting our channel. And if this is the first time you've just landed on our channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, which will keep you up to date with all the fun journeys that we have. We do things like theme parks, attractions, events, so lots of fun stuff. Anyway guys, let's come along with me and join the journey. So that's the Leviathan right there in the background, the wooden roller coaster. It has peaked the height that it's going to reach with the flags on the top there. So we're going to get a little bit closer and have a look, and just in front there is the Vortex. Well hey guys, considering it's a Saturday morning and it's not school holidays or anything, the park's actually fairly busy. It seems like there's a lot of people here enjoying SeaWorld today, so that's really great to see. So I'm just hoping that we will see the Vortex in operation or testing operation today while we're here. So hopefully we can have a look at what it looks like when it's actually operational. So there's some engineers over there at the Vortex now, so looks like some testing is about to commence. They have to commission the ride, so obviously they need to test it fully and have so many hours of commissioning these rides before they can open them to the public. But I believe everything's going to plan and on schedule. So once again, hopefully the Vortex will be open for the December school holidays this year, so hopefully around mid-December. Okay, we've got our first look at the Vortex under testing currently now. So let's see what this ride does. We'll just quickly say hi to the Ninja Turtles. So we'll just head down now and see how close we can get to the Leviathan. So we're at the back of the Dockside Tavern, a good view of the Leviathan roller coaster. Maximum height there is 27 meters tall. That's pretty high. The track is, whilst it's a small footprint, the track itself is 909 meters long, so I guess nearly a kilometer long. Apparently every 50 meters of track on the ride you're going to get airtime, and there's about 20 different points in the ride where, you know, you're gonna think you could potentially, your head might crash into the structure, but it's obviously not going to. But yeah, there's this pretty hair-raising experiences on this ride. So yeah, wooden roller coasters are making a very big comeback across the world, and you just get a totally different ride experience from a wooden roller coaster versus a traditional metal one. So this is going to be extremely exciting when it's completed. Now, I believe they are expecting an opening date of around mid next year, so I'm probably guessing June, July, school holidays 2021. That's my guess. We'll have to wait and see what is advertised, but it's pretty exciting. So construction's definitely really going ahead strongly. So yeah, I believe, pretty sure there's going to be 24-seater trains as well. I think they can dispatch a train every 2 minutes. So yeah, it's going to be an exciting ride, a great ride for SeaWorld, and just a totally different ride experience, probably from anything else in the Gold Coast, probably in Australia for that matter. So it's going to be very exciting. So we'll do another update on the Leviathan wooden roller coaster here at SeaWorld when we can, probably when they've done a little bit more to it. Just zoomed in a bit closer on some of those turns there. They're pretty amazing. If you look at how steep and twisted that is, once again, it's going to be an absolutely amazing ride experience. Cannot wait for the Leviathan to be open. So also in that space between the Leviathan on the left there and the Vortex on the right, so in the middle here, there is also another ride planned called the Trident, which I believe is like a giant chair swing ride. That should be popping up in this space again next year as well. So in the Atlantis precinct, you'll see the Vortex there, which they're currently testing, and you'll see the Trident in the middle, and then you'll see the Leviathan wooden roller coaster. So it's an exciting new precinct. Can't wait for that to be open here at SeaWorld. It's just going to add another amazing element to the park and another great reason for you to come in and visit SeaWorld in the Gold Coast. Just to let you know, Jet Rescue is still currently undergoing its major maintenance, so I believe they're doing a full track paint, and obviously they just have their annual maintenance that everything is obviously checked and ensure it's safe. So I believe this ride, they're anticipating it to be reopened in late December, or mid to late December. And of course the Storm roller coaster is open and currently operational, and you can have a great ride on the Storm coaster while you're here at SeaWorld. I tell you what, the Storm coaster is quite a short ride really, but I tell you what, it's an awesome ride and you will get wet. Hey guys, so there is a couple of rides in the kids area down for annual maintenance. One is Mrs. Puff's Boating School, and the other one is Donatello's Ninja Flyers. So they're down currently for annual maintenance, and they should be back up and running in time for December school holidays. So as you can see, they've actually taken the whole entire ride down for maintenance, so they can do all the annual stuff they need to do to maintain the rides. Well, hey, I'm pretty impressed with the progress of the Leviathan roller coaster. Like I mentioned before, probably June, mid next year, that should be open. So the progress is looking really good for that one, and it's good to see them testing the Vortex currently. So that's definitely only a matter of weeks away, maybe 4 or 5 weeks away before that one opens there. So exciting times here, and keep an eye on their website, Village Roadshow Theme Parks, to check out the opening dates of the Vortex and Leviathan for next year, and we can't wait for the Trident as well. So hey guys, that's going to do it from our look here at SeaWorld at the new Vortex ride under testing currently. Once again, should be due to open mid-December for the December Christmas school holidays this year. So definitely, if you're coming here for the holidays, you will get to ride the Vortex at that time. So they're doing testing now as we speak. So that's a great sign that that ride is close to being commissioned and ready for operation. And the Leviathan wooden roller coaster, construction's going extremely well. It looks like it's going to be on track for a June grand opening next year, 2021. I would say June, July school holidays. That's just my guess. We'll have to wait until we actually see an official launch date from Village Roadshow Theme Parks, but I would say roughly mid next year we should start to see that roller coaster getting tested and ready for opening. Anyway guys, thanks for joining me today here at SeaWorld. I hope you enjoyed the update. If you're new to our channel, Jags Journeys, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, which will keep you up to date with all the fun journeys that we have. Also, please like and share our videos. That's greatly appreciated, and we appreciate your support for our channel. Anyway guys, that's all I've got time for today, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next journey.